You probably clicked this video because you want to have a professional color grading. But it's more difficult than you thought, and you've tried everything. You've bought preset packs to make it look more professional, but it's still not your own color grading. And there's no real shortcuts to color grading. You have to put in the hours to really get good at color grading. You have to know a lot about color theory, and it's a pain in the but still you want to make it very professional. You want to make it look professional, and you don't know where to start. But those days are over, because I found a piece of software that's really easy, because I get a lot of questions about color grading. People ask me, can you help me color grading? Can I buy your preset packs? Sure, you can buy my preset packs, but you're adding my color space to your photo. So the software I found is Luminar Neo from Skylum. And the software is making you, it is completely different from Lightroom, because it makes you give professional looks to your photos without being a professional color grader. And that's very important. If you look at Adobe, they started somewhere very complex and they built the software up from that, and still it's quite complex to create a great color grading. And Luminar Neo is a complete new setup. It's built from a different perspective. It's cheaper than Adobe Photoshop or Lightroom, and it's easier to use. And without further ado, let's jump in the software, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to make a very great photo with no experience in color grading at all. So this is Luminar Neo. I prepared some photos so we can edit them together. You can grab your own photos, doesn't matter. Use raw files. Always when you're editing, use raw files, because it makes your life way easier. I'm going straight into the edit. So in the edit, you see all kind of tools. So you got a lot of AI tools right here. So that's the tools we're gonna use. We're gonna use some of the simple basic tools, but together you get a great photo with just simple adjustments. So from the bottom to the top, I always go to enhance. So in this case, go slide to 50% and instantly makes your photo better. It enhances your photo. Easy, you don't have to have any knowledge of photography or color grading. Then we can choose a mood. Let's go to portrait toning. Tina, like this one. And I could say around warmer, like this look. Then we go to relight. These are the pink ones are like, magenta ones are like AI tools. You don't have to really know a lot of photography. That's the cool thing. So we want to make the couple pop from the screen because we got light from the back. So we can make the light in the back a little bit less. So they pop up way more. Never go too far with this, because it looks unnatural. So just a little bit to give them a little more stage in your photo. Then let's put on some vignettes. That's my vignettes. I'm very dyslexic, so I'm always looking for the vignette. Oh, it's on top, of course. It's the vignette is on top. So like this. So the size of the vignettes a little bit less. Like this. Color harmony is also important, because now I think it's too purple, to magenta. But if you're not a professional color grader, you wouldn't see that it's magenta. You're like, oh, it's a great photo. So here's a very cool tool I really like of this program. It's the color harmony, and it's under professional tools because it's a real professional tool. And in Lightroom this is very difficult. Everything is manual, and now you can do it just easy with just a simple mouse button. And I could say like this, and we get the balance in the color back. I like it a little bit colder. I don't like the warm colors, but you can see his jacket is green. The colors are great. You see the original photos like this enhanced photo. The same buttons as in Lightroom, that's what I like. And you got a great photo. So let's save this action. So action is a preset. Save the preset. YouTube tutorial 1. Like this. Oh, let's say call 2. And we made a preset. As easy as that. We go to the next photo. We want to edit a different photo. So we choose a different photo. And the cool thing, because we made a preset, we can copy paste the preset of course, but we can go to our presets. So there's a lot of built-in presets that work really, really well. But we go to my preset, the YouTube tutorial one, press on it, and it's edit. You can say I wanted to have a less or like a little bit more full preset. You can choose how much you wanted that preset. So we could add some stuff, let's say like the mystical, to add an amount of, say, makes it a little bit softer, makes the photo a bit more mystical, like this. Because I use a lot of filters on my lens, so I've already got that mystical vibe because I have mist filters on my lens. But this way you make it even more mystical, like this. And the highlights are too high in your address, so I go to the highlights, I go to develop, and here are my old school highlights, and I can pull them a little bit down, so the dress gets detail again. You can pull them way lower than this, and we got an edited photo, as easy as this. So let's take another photo. So this photo, so let's go to the develop module, and the highlights still too high. Less highlights. I don't like big highlights. This highlights low. Then we're going to use the relight. The relight is just really cool. Bottom here, and you can just play around with the sliders. And that's the great thing about this this program. Is very, very simple. Brightness far. You want them to pop out. Oh, where is it? Yeah, like this. Just a little tiny bit. Like that. Let's put in some drama, like this. Oh, like this, and then pull the contrast a little bit down, like this. Put in some mood. Let's go for cross processing. This one is nice. Oh, I like the Tokyo one. Tokyo. I've never been to Tokyo. I want to go to Tokyo. Amount 30 is great. Let's put in some film grain. This, I like film grain. All my photos put in grain. Like this. A little bit of grain. Look, so much difference with grain in it. Let's go to the color harmony. One of my favorite functions. Because it makes everything so easy. Color harmony. Because we want to balance the colors. It's still a bit too cold, I guess. Let's go to split warmth. Let's say 2:1. Yeah, that's a little bit warmer. This with the mic. So you have to make a contrast in your photo, and the contrast you make with also with the colors. Right away you see the blue and the orange on the skin, the warm, the cold contrast. It just looks cool. And there needs to be a little bit more harmony in this. Now let's put in some color balance. And the C in red is a little bit too much, so you see it right here. So like this, because it's too red, our skin is too red. So always look at the skin and the dress like this. Awesome, I like this really, really much. Look at the great photo. This was original photo. This is the edit. And it's a very professional result without knowing anything about color grading. And it really looks cool because they really pop off your screen. I didn't do a lot of stuff. That is so cool. So Skylum sent me the software just to check it out. No strings attached. That try our software and just let us know what you think about it. I was blown away. Hope you guys are blown away too. So they gave me a discount code for you guys. You can use it, and the discount code is in my description. It's only wins 10, so that means you get 10% extra discount on the software. And you can, it's a 30 days guaranteed money back, and it's real 30 days guaranteed money back. I would try it out if you like. You can buy it, if you buy it one more time, you have a lifetime subscription, or you can do a monthly subscription. Believe me, you will really, really love it. Check it out, download it for free. You can use the free version, and with my code you get the 10% extra off. I mean, who doesn't like discount? It's the best. I'm Dutch, we love discount. So thanks for watching. See you guys next time for a video about color grading or behind the scenes stuff. If you want to see my work, go to my Instagram, because I put a lot of reels, photos on Instagram, because I still think Instagram is a photo medium and not only video. Hope to see you next time. Bye bye.